Back, choosing data collection techniques. We have briefly discussed three common techniques for gathering data: observational studies, experiments, and surveys. Which technique is the best? The answer depends on the number of variables of interest and the level of confidence needed regarding statements of relationships among variables. So, let's see. Sometimes observational studies are good, sometimes experiments are good, and sometimes surveys are good. It all depends on number of variables of interest and the level of confidence needed. Let's see what that means. Surveys may be the best choice for gathering information across a wide range of many variables. So if you have many variables to worry about, for example, what is your working condition, right? Your office or wherever you work, then it's better to have a survey because you can have many questions addressed in one survey. However, great care must be taken in construction of the survey, instrument, and the administration of the survey. Non-response and other issues discussed earlier can introduce bias. So if you're looking at working conditions, some people may not even respond, and that will affect the survey study. Observational studies are the next most convenient. So survey is very convenient. It can handle a lot of questions but has a high problem with bias. Observational studies are the next most convenient. But you need to worry about protocols for taking measurements or recording observations. All right? Protocols have to be specified carefully. Experiments are the most stringent and restrictive data gathering technique. They can be time consuming, expensive, difficult to administer. In experiments, the goal is often to study the effects of changing only one variable at a time. So, experiment, you often look at only one variable at a time. Because of the requirements, number of variables may be more limited. Experiments must be designed carefully to ensure that the resulting data are relevant to the research questions. All right. So, easiest to do surveys, but it will introduce a lot of bias. Next, easy observation. You need to specify protocols, but it's only observation. Lastly, experiment. Experiment are the most stringent. They handle very few variables, only one at a time you work with it, and there are many complications, but it is a thorough study. All right. Okay, so this completes the theory for section 1.3. Next video will cover problems from section 1.3. Until then, bye.